They say once you leave the ship, the momentum stops. It's not true. But they don't know about the 640 standard. They don't know about the hours spent perfecting every pour on every specs. Yep. I serve thousands across every open ocean. But a ship is a training ground, not a finish line. It's not. I did not just leave the ship, I graduated. Yes. And I took the catalog with me. I see your comments. I see the DMs asking for the recipes, the specs, and the secret ingredients. You're anxious. I get it. Quality create demands. But the catalog is not just a list of drinks. It's a blueprint for the next level of mixology. It's sitting on my phone right now, locked. I'm not dropping the date today because mystery can't be rushed. If you are tired of waiting and you want to be the first to see the first page, then you need to be on the inside. Text catalog to ship handle 640. Don't call, just text. I'm only opening the door for the people who actually understand the 640 standard. I will see you in the inbox. Out.